So today I'm talking about a Nissan with the P0448 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is the Nissan P0448 code? Well, it's an evaporative emission control system vent control circuit shorted. And what does this mean? Well, modern vehicles have what's called an evap system, which basically takes all the gas vapors from the gas tank and feeds them back into the engine to get burnt off so they don't escape into the atmosphere. And the onboard computer's seen a problem with this, so it's got to be troubleshooted to know why. And some possible causes, well, it could be the vent valve, could be the charcoal canister, could be in the wiring, and possibly the fuel tank pressure sensor. And so the first thing to do when you get this code is to go locate the charcoal canister on your particular Nissan, which will have the vent valve on it. It'll be located up underneath the vehicle by the gas tank somewhere. For example, here's a 2011 Nissan Versa, and if you remove the rear tire on the driver's side, there'll be a cover right here. You take it off, the charcoal canister will be right there, and then the vent valve is going to be on the back of it. And the vent valve is just going to be a small device. It'll have 2 ports and a wiring harness going to it. And the first thing you want to do when you locate it is check out that wiring real good. Be sure it's not damaged, that it's connected good, and things like this. Basically, keep in mind anything wrong with that wiring, open, short, bad connection, blowing fuse, it's going to cause the same symptoms as a bad vent valve. So keep that in mind. And so if you check out the wiring and that all looks good, then very likely that vent valve has gone bad and just needs to be replaced. You can test it if you want to. There's some different ways you go about doing that. There's some good YouTube videos on it if you want to test it first. But the next thing you do after you check out the wiring is to either test or replace that vent valve on the charcoal canister. You can also buy the whole charcoal canister with the vent valve on it, which sometimes some people do since the charcoal canister might be aging or something like that. Or you could buy the vent valve separately and attach it on. But however you want to go about doing it, the next thing to do is to test or replace that vent valve. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a Nissan with the P0448 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.